Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning podcast. Today, we are going to learn something very important. We will learn 100 English phrases that native speakers use every single day. These are not difficult grammar sentences. These are real phrases that you can use in your daily life. You can use them at work, with friends, while traveling, or during normal conversations. Many English learners know thousands of words, but they still feel nervous when speaking. Why? Because knowing words is different from knowing how to use them naturally. Native speakers don't think about every grammar rule when they talk. They use common phrases again and again. So today, listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice these sentences. Let's start. Phrase 1. Good morning, how are you? This is one of the most common greetings in English. You can use it when you meet someone in the morning. Example, good morning, how are you today? Response, I'm good, thank you. How about you? Phrase 2. How's your day going? This means asking someone about their day. Example, hey, how's your day going? Response, it's going well. I'm a little busy today. Phrase 3. Nice to meet you. Use this when you meet someone for the first time. Example, hi, my name is Alex. Nice to meet you. Phrase 4. Long time no see. This means you haven't seen someone for a long time. Example, hey Sarah, long time no see. How have you been? Phrase 5. What have you been up to? This means, what have you been doing recently? Example, I haven't seen you for months. What have you been up to? Phrase 6. I'm just relaxing. This means you are resting and not doing anything special. Example, what are you doing today? I'm just relaxing at home. Phrase 7. I'm on my way. This means you are going somewhere now. Example, are you coming? Yes, I'm on my way. Phrase 8. I'll be there soon. This means you will arrive after a short time. Example, where are you? I'll be there soon. Phrase 9. Take your time. This means don't hurry. Example, I'm not ready yet. No problem, take your time. Phrase 10. No worries. This means it's okay or don't worry. Example, sorry, I'm late. No worries. Phrase 11. Sounds good. This means you agree with an idea. Example, let's meet at 7 p.m. Sounds good. Phrase 12. That makes sense. This means you understand something. Example, I studied every day, so I improved my English. That makes sense. Phrase 13. I understand. A simple way to show you understand. Example, don't worry, I understand. Phrase 14. I don't understand. Use this when something is not clear. Example, sorry, I don't understand. Can you explain? Phrase 15. Can you say that again? Use this when you want someone to repeat. Example, can you say that again? I didn't hear you. Phrase 16. Could you speak slower? Very useful for English learners. Example, I'm still learning English. Could you speak slower? Phrase 17. What do you mean? Use this when you want more explanation. Example, what do you mean by that? Phrase 18. Let me think. Use this when you need time to answer. Example, what should we do tomorrow? Let me think. Phrase 19. I'm not sure. This means you don't know exactly. Example, do you know where he is? I'm not sure. Phrase 20. I have no idea. This means you really don't know. Example, where is my phone? I have no idea. Phrase 21. Maybe. A simple word when something is possible. Example, will you come tomorrow? Maybe. Phrase 22. Of course. This means yes, definitely. Example, can you help me? Of course. Phrase 23. That's great. Use this when you are happy about something. Example, I got a new job. That's great. Phrase 24. That's amazing. A stronger way to show excitement. Example, I passed my exam. That's amazing. Phrase 25. I'm happy for you. Use this when someone has good news. Example, I finally achieved my goal. I'm happy for you. Phrase 26. Congratulations. Use this when someone succeeds. Example, congratulations on your success. Phrase 27. Good luck. Say this before someone does something important. Example, I have an interview tomorrow. Good luck. Phrase 28. I hope so. This means you want something to happen. Example, do you think we will win? I hope so. Phrase 29. I think so. This means you believe something is true. Example, is he coming? I think so. Phrase 30, I don't think so. This means you disagree or believe something is not true. Example, will it rain today? I don't think so. Phrase 31, never mind. This means forget about it. Example, can you help me? Actually, never mind. Phrase 32, it doesn't matter. This means something is not important. Example, I made a mistake. It doesn't matter. Phrase 33, that's okay. Use this to show something is acceptable. Example, sorry I forgot. That's okay. Phrase 34, my pleasure. A polite way to say you are happy to help. Example, thank you for helping me. My pleasure. Phrase 35, you're welcome. Response to thank you. Example, thank you so much. You're welcome. Phrase 36, I appreciate it. This means thank you in a deeper way. Example, I appreciate your help. Phrase 37, don't worry about it. Another way to say it is okay. Example, sorry about the problem. Don't worry about it. Phrase 38, that's interesting. Use this when something catches your attention. Example, I love learning new languages. That's interesting. Phrase 39, really. A natural way to show surprise. Example, I met a famous person yesterday. Really? Phrase 40, are you serious? Use when you cannot believe something. Example, I won the competition. Are you serious? Remember, the goal is not only to memorize these phrases. The goal is to make them part of your daily English. Listen, repeat, practice. The more you use these sentences, the more natural your English will become. Now, we will continue with more natural English phrases. Remember, don't just listen. Repeat each sentence. Try to imagine yourself using these phrases in real life. Let's continue. Phrase 41. What's going on? This means asking what is happening. Example. Hey, what's going on? Nothing special. I'm just working. Phrase 42. What happened? Use this when you want to know about a situation. Example. You look tired. What happened? Phrase 43. Are you okay? A very common phrase when you are worried about someone. Example. You look sad. Are you okay? Phrase 44. I'm fine. A simple answer when someone asks how you are. Example. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Phrase 45. I'm doing well. Another natural way to say you are good. Example. How's everything? I'm doing well. Phrase 46. I'm tired. Use this when you need rest. Example. I had a long day. I'm tired. Phrase 47. I'm exhausted. This means very tired. Example. I worked all day. I'm exhausted. Phrase 48. I'm hungry. Use this when you want food. Example. Let's eat something. I'm hungry. Phrase 49. I'm thirsty. Use this when you need a drink. Example. Can I have some water? I'm thirsty. Phrase 50. I'm busy right now. Use this when you don't have time. Example. Can we talk? Sorry, I'm busy right now. Phrase 51. I'm free today. This means you have time. Example. Are you available? Yes, I'm free today. Phrase 52. What are you doing? A common question about someone's activity. Example. What are you doing tonight? Phrase 53. What do you do? This usually means asking about someone's job. Example. Nice to meet you. What do you do? I'm a teacher. Phrase 54. Where are you from? Use this when asking about someone's country or city. Example. Where are you from? I'm from Pakistan. Phrase 55. Where do you live? A simple question about someone's home. Example. Where do you live? I live in a small city. Phrase 56. How old are you? A question about age. Example. How old are you? I'm 20 years old. Phrase 57. What's your name? A basic introduction question. Example. Hi, what's your name? My name is John. Phrase 58. How was your day? Use this after someone finishes their day. Example. You're home. How was your day? Phrase 59. What did you do today? Ask about someone's activities. Example. What did you do today? I studied and worked. Phrase 60. Did you have a good day? A friendly question. Example. Did you have a good day? Yes, it was great. Phrase 61. I had a great time. Use when you enjoyed something. Example. Thank you for inviting me. I had a great time. Phrase 62. I enjoyed it. Means you liked something. Example. How was the movie? I enjoyed it. Phrase 63. I love it. Strong way to say you really like something. Example. This song is amazing. I love it. Phrase 64. I like it. Simple way to show you like something. Example. Do you like this place? Yes, I like it. Phrase 65. I don't like it. Use when you dislike something. Example. Do you like this food? No, I don't like it. Phrase 66. It's my favorite. Use for something you like the most. Example. What's your favorite movie? This is my favorite. Phrase 67. That's a good idea. Use when you agree with an idea. Example. Let's practice English every day. That's a good idea. Phrase 68. That's a great idea. A stronger version. Example. Let's start a new project. That's a great idea. Phrase 69. I agree. Use when you have the same opinion. Example. Learning English takes practice. I agree. Phrase 70. I disagree. Use when your opinion is different. Example. I disagree with that. Phrase 71. You're right. Use when someone says something correct. Example. Practice makes perfect. You're right. Phrase 72. I was wrong. Use when you admit a mistake. Example. I thought today was Monday. Sorry, I was wrong. Phrase 73. It depends. This means the answer changes based on the situation. Example. Do you like coffee? It depends. Phrase 74. I think you're right. A polite way to agree. Example. We should practice more. I think you're right. Phrase 75. I agree with you. Another way to show agreement. Example. English is important. I agree with you. Phrase 76. Give me a minute. Means wait for a short time. Example. Can you help me? Give me a minute. Phrase 77. Wait a moment. Another way to ask someone to wait. Example. Wait a moment, I'll check. Phrase 78. Hold on. A very common phrase meaning wait. Example. Hold on, I'm coming. Phrase 79. I'm coming. Means you are going to arrive soon. Example. Are you ready? Yes, I'm coming. Phrase 80. I'm almost done. Means you will finish soon. Example. Are you finished? I'm almost done. Phrase 81. I'm ready. Means you can start. Example. Are you ready to go? Yes, I'm ready. Phrase 82. Let's go. A common phrase to start moving. Example. Everyone is here. Let's go. Phrase 83. Come with me. Use when you want someone to follow you. Example. I need to show you something. Come with me. Phrase 84. Follow me. Similar meaning. Example. The office is this way. Follow me. Phrase 85. Here you go. Use when giving something to someone. Example. Can I have the book? Sure, here you go. Phrase 86. There you go. Used when giving or showing something. Example. Your coffee is ready. There you go. Phrase 87. Be careful. Use when warning someone. Example. The road is dangerous. Be careful. Phrase 88. Take care. A friendly goodbye. Example. See you tomorrow. Take care. Phrase 89. See you later. Means goodbye for now. Example. I have to go. Okay, see you later. Phrase 90. See you soon. Means you expect to meet again soon. Example. Thanks for today. See you soon. Phrase 91. Have a good day. A polite goodbye. Example. Thank you. Have a good day. Phrase 92. Have a great weekend. Use before the weekend. Example. Enjoy your weekend. Have a great weekend. Phrase 93. Good night. Use before sleeping. Example. I'm going to sleep. Good night. Phrase 94. Sleep well. A kind way to say good night. Example. You look tired. Sleep well. Phrase 95. Wake up. Means stop sleeping. Example, wake up, it's morning. Phrase 96, I'm late. Use when you are not on time. Example, sorry, I'm late. Phrase 97, hurry up. Means do something faster. Example, we're leaving soon. Hurry up. Phrase 98, I forgot. Means you did not remember something. Example, I forgot my keys. Phrase 99, I remember. Means you still have the memory. Example, I remember that day. Phrase 100, I'll never forget it. A powerful phrase for important memories. Example, that experience changed my life. I'll never forget it. Great job! You have now learned 100 everyday English phrases. But remember, learning English is not about memorizing once. Practice these phrases every day. Speak them. Listen to them. Use them. Slowly, these sentences will become natural. Keep practicing and your confidence will grow. Thank you for listening. See you in the next English practice lesson.